Okay, and from here you have to go with the same scheme as before. We need to pair both machines, enterprise and ShareAccess. To make it happen, just go to your Fudo enterprise machine, copy the key below, and save the gateway. Do the same thing for the enterprise, and join to Fudo ShareAccess. Let's refresh the page, because it should be connected already. It's in place. Finalize the process on the ShareAccess page. Go back to the resources, because you should see something here. Now, what if we would like to share the resources between different organizations, like for the enterprise, with the first machine and the second one? Log in into the first machine. And in that case, we will have to invite a new person to be able to go into those files, to those devices. So let's get into the users tab first, and we will do the same thing but with different role. So fill out all the informations, select the save that will be in use, add the email address, save and close. Go back to the Fudo ShareAccess page, and here you can add another person by the invitation. So select proper email address. I accept the risk. We do have a first organization that we created recently and the second one. And we also do not see anything underneath that, because first of all, you need to go back to the email and check if there's something new. Well, yeah, the new email has arrived, so activate my account. Once more, we need to log in. And here they are. As you can see, it is quite simple, but you also need to test it out by yourself. So feel free to contact us if you need any type of assistance. Don't hesitate, just contact the pre-sales team and we'll be more than glad to help you at any time. Thank you so much and have a good one.